Set B Q.2 solution. Explanation of the code at the end. Explanation. This is a PL/SQL block of code used to retrieve and display data from a table named gym. The first three lines declare three variables v_name, v_city, and v_charges with their respective data types. These variables will be used to store the values retrieved from the gym table. The next line defines a cursor named gym_det that selects the columns name, city, and charges from the gym table and orders the results by the city column. The RDBMS_output.put_line statement is used to display the column headers, name, city, and charges on the console. The open_gym_det statement opens the cursor and starts the loop to retrieve the data from the gym table. The loop statement starts a loop that will execute until there are no more rows to fetch. The exit when gym_det %not found statement checks if there are any more rows to fetch. If there are no more rows, the loop is excited. The fetch gym_det into v_name, v_city, v_charges statement retrieves the next row from the gym_det cursor and stores the values in the variables. The dbms_output.put_line statement prints the values of the variables v_name, v_city, and v_charges on the console. Overall, this code retrieves the data from the gym table and displays it on the console in a tabular format with headers.